What's up guys, Simon here. In this episode of Tech Visibility, another earbud review. I have been getting a lot of earbuds lately to review to compare to the other earbuds. We're going to talk about other stuff, I promise. But in this episode, we are going to go ahead and review the Beben True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. These guys are going for $28.99. You can check out my previous reviews of the Skull Candy Mini Dimes. Those are $22, and I'm going to compare to see if the $6 price difference is any good. These look like almost of a Apple knockoff. They do have a button on the side. We're going to unbox it, review it. Before I get into this video, I ask you guys show the biggest favor that you could do for us is hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. It helps us get our channel out there, and I hope you enjoy these honest, truthful reviews. Again, we do not get these products for free. If we ever do get a product for free, we will let you know. And so far, I've been buying these on my own, so I am going broke. That is what's going to happen here. We're going to review it, we're going to go over it, and we are going to let you know if I like these and how they compare to the Apple AirPods, which are around $120. I will compare them in this video as well. Let's get into it. Okay, so these are the True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. These are the Beben. The link is below from Amazon. There's nothing that says Beben on here on the box at all, except for this Amazon sticker, which says they're IPX7 waterproof, according to that sticker. There are different colors. Obviously, these are the white ones. Looks the most similar to the Apple AirPod product. You got Bluetooth 5.0 indicator, automatic connection, which is great. Built-in mic, obviously. Quality battery. I don't know what that means. What's a quality battery? And then dual calling. So you could call from either earbud, I guess. Lightweight, we'll test to see. I have my magic scale here. They're not gonna fool us, guys. So I get my stab pen or my shrink wrap remover and just cut the sides. Let's see how this product looks inside, okay? Very simple packaging, a little user manual here. Click and hold for 2 seconds, you'll go to a previous song. Click and hold for 2 seconds, you'll go to the next song. Click 3 times, there'll be volume up on the left. Click 3 times, volume up on the right. You also got Siri by clicking twice to get Siri, reject calls. You click twice and click once to pause, play, and answer the call, okay? Very simplistic. Oh man, this looks like a AirPod. All right, so that's the case, the packaging. In the packaging as well, you get a white USB to USB-C cable, nice to see. And that is actually all they include in the box, okay? So that's it for packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and put that away. Really nothing else to highlight here, just a charger case, etc. These are not wireless charging. So as I remove the shrink wrap, please peel off the protective film at the bottom before use. Of course we're gonna do that, right? How else would we use them? So we're going to take that off as well. And there's a protective film at the bottom. That's what they're talking about before use. All right, these are bigger than the AirPods. Just my impression, it's like the bigger cousin or something. God, those were hard to get out. So there is an indicator on which is left and which is right on these. The case itself, good snap, but it won't stay up. So, but pretty good snap. Now, here's the big thing. Let's take the AirPods 2nd generation case, and you can see it's a little bit of a mini-me. The battery is affecting it a little bit, so I meant the magnet is affecting it, excuse me. If I put it next to each other, it's like the bigger cousin of the AirPods 2. So USB-C versus Lightning, and that's how they look. Let's take a look and compare the AirPods themselves. The AirPods are a little bit smaller, as you can see here on the comparison. So they're tiny bit smaller, a little bit thinner, and that's the difference. Okay, we'll weigh them out because they said they're lightweight. I don't know if you guys will buy these Beben True Wireless Earbuds. We're gonna test them out, see how they sound for the price. On top of that, we decided to test these because they look like AirPods 2s or the 1st and 2nd generation. But on top of that, Amazon had over 12,300 reviews on these guys, nearly 12,400 reviews. So I was like, wait, let's test these out. Are these any good? Okay, so I'm gonna pop them in. I'm gonna give you a feel on my ear. They fit great. I like how they fit. They're a little bit long. People are now going with a shorter stem. I have the AirPods 3 as well. They say connected, or connecting, excuse me. Let me connect them to my iPhone. So here we go. I'm trying to pop them in here. It says T19 on the connection. It says connecting both earbuds. Let's play a song. So first song I'm gonna play is more like Wicked Games style, that type of music. Maybe a little bit of rock or country, and we'll see how that goes. I'll let you know if the song quality is great. Okay, so here we go.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words.
So sound quality so far is pretty good. I'm not gonna say these are bad. I can see why 12,000 people have bought them. They feel really light. I mean, I'm not kidding you, and the quality is pretty good on these. I'd say they rival those skull candies. I don't know if they look big on my ear, but I gotta turn them up, I feel like, a little bit. And keep in mind, iPhone has a limiter, and so does Android for volume. You could take that limiter off in the settings if some of your earbuds are just not doing it for you. I get that comment a lot. How do I make them louder? You could get an additional app, or you could just go ahead and turn them up. Now, I'm talking, there's no noise canceling here. They feel exactly like the AirPods, where you can hear myself talk and the surrounding environment. So far, pretty clean. Not much bass, very little bass. I'm gonna switch songs to see if that's just this song or another song. So, okay, I'm gonna go rap song, guys.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. No bass on these, but quality is good. Yeah, the bass is like a 4 or 3 out of 10, okay? So that's what you should know about these Beben. Sound quality is really good, the mids are good, the lows are good, the highs are not as there. But it's very clear. I'm gonna make a phone call with these because I want to see if they sound as good in a phone call as the AirPod second generation, which I love the most. They're my number ones. Okay, so I'm gonna make a call. Just play the rap song, no bass. If you want bass, these Beben's True Wireless earbuds are not for you. So make us call.
Hey Simon.
What's up, Yuri? I'm testing the Beben True Wireless earbuds. How do I sound?
You sound very clear.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you sound great. I could hear myself talk. I could actually use these for phone conversation. They sound great. And volume is perfect. I sound great.
Nice and clear.
Good. All right. Well, thanks for picking up, man. I appreciate it. I'm going to get back to the review.
Okay, thanks.
All right, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Let's go over some statistics on these Bebens. They sounded good on a phone call. I would use them for phone calls. I don't think I'd use them for like heavy bass music at all. There was pretty much one of the lowest bass earbuds I've tested, period, and I'm just used to so much more bass or quality or even a balance, and I felt like there's no balance in bass with these. Okay, so take note. Now these come, as you can see on Amazon, in several colors from black, blue, green, mint, pink, and white. They have superior battery life is what they're saying, so offer 6 times charging, total of 30 hours. That's pretty good, okay? Because the Skull Candy Dime Minis I've tested, they were only like 12 hours battery life. So you're getting double battery life for $6 more. I think that's worth it. Again, there's a button on each earbud. It's not tapped, so you got to press it or press and hold it. These are the Beben T19, and that's why we saw the pairing as the T19. Bluetooth 5.0, not the latest Bluetooth, but I don't think you'll know the difference. You could pair them up to 30 feet away, it says. I'm just reading their highlights. And you got, you know, pretty good quality sound. I don't think these are gonna blow your socks off, okay? So if you're looking for some AirPods similar product, but you can't afford to spend money on the AirPods, the Beben T19s are pretty good. You know, overall, it's almost a mimicking product that's a little bit unrefined personally, but a lot less bass than these. Now in terms of weight, we're gonna go ahead and weigh these, okay? I'm gonna grab my Magic Akai scale. This is used for coffee, but I use it lately for weighing earbuds. Let's test the AirPods first. That's about a 48 gram case with the AirPods inside, and the Bebens are 45.3, so they are a little bit lighter and not much. I don't think it would be that much of a noticeable difference. Okay, so that was it. Those are the Beben T19 AirPods. I don't know, I guess you call them just Beben. And here's the thing, another thing with these, if someone asks, hey, are those AirPods? And you go, no, these are Bebens, they're gonna look at you silly, okay? So you may just say they're AirPods. These are the AirPods that never got released, and I'm the only one that has them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, hit the like button. That's the best thing you could do for us. Subscribe to the channel, check out techvisibility.com. If you use these, comment below, or if you have any comments in regards to these cases or the quality, or if there's any other products you want me to review, comment, I'll reply. Appreciate you guys watching, I truly do. And we'll catch you here in the next video. Beben T19s, the big version of the AirPods for a lot less without bass. That's my final answer.